I'm so full of it, but I think I'm just fed up, baby. You think I can be so arrogant, but I'm just trying to keep my head up, baby. You think I procrastinate, baby, but I think I'm taking my time. You think you need to leave, but I think I disagree. But if you believe you'll do best without me, I'll let it go, girl, it's over. But before we say goodbye, let's give it a try. If you leave, then baby, I'll leave. I'll let it go, girl, it's over. But I have no doubts we can work it out.
Yeah, I think you're so full of it. You just don't know when to let up, baby. I think you're so arrogant, that you think you're so much better, baby. That I think it ain't healthy for me to judge you by your flaws, and that's why I know I could criticize, but I put that aside to focus on you and I. But if you believe you'll do best without me, then I'll let it go. It's over. But before we say goodbye, let's give it a try. If you leave, baby, I'll leave. I'll let it go, boy, it's over. But I have no doubt we can work it out, yeah.
Now if you wanna go, baby, then I'll let you go. And even though I'm trying to hold on,